In the early 20th century, Britain stood on a cusp of change, ushering in a new era of prosperity and social reform. The Edwardian Age, named after King Edward VII, who ascended the throne in 1901, marked a significant shift from the austere Victorian era that preceded it. The period was characterized by a flourishing industrial economy, with the country's factories humming with the sounds of progress. Steam-powered machines churned out goods in vast quantities, and the railways stretched across the land, connecting the vast corners of the British Empire. Yet, beneath this veneer of progress, a simmering discontent was brewing. The working class, toiling in the factories, demanded better conditions and fairer wages. The suffragettes, led by women like Emmeline Pankhurst, fought tirelessly for women's right to vote, their cries echoing through the streets of London. The crisis point arrived in 1911, with the infamous Bloody Sunday in London. Suffragettes, desperate for change, marched peacefully towards Parliament, only to be met with brutal force by the police. The images of wounded women being carted away in stretcher litters shocked the nation and the world, highlighting the deep-seated injustice within British society. In response, Edward VII, a monarch more concerned with social reform than his predecessor, took action. He addressed the House of Commons, appealing for a more compassionate approach towards the suffrage movement. His words, while not immediately effective, marked a shift in the royal position on women's rights. The Edwardian Age, though a time of economic growth, was also a period of social unrest. The struggles of the working class and the suffragettes would eventually lead to significant reforms, setting the stage for a more equitable Britain in the future. Yet, the shadows of the past still loomed large. The class divide remained entrenched, and the looming specter of World War I was about to cast its dark shadow over the land. The Edwardian Age, with all its grandeur and turmoil, was a pivotal moment in British history, a prelude to the momentous changes that were to come. The era ended with the death of King Edward VII in 1910, ushering in the reign of George V. The Edwardian Age, however, left an indelible mark on Britain, a testament to the indomitable spirit of its people and the relentless march of progress.